Alexis. Alexis, did your brother yell at you when you got sad? You got sad because your brother yelled at you? It's okay. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. Don't be mean, Dylan. If you yell at her, she's going to cry. Dylan, let's see what's upsetting her. Alexis, it's okay. Your brother wasn't being mean to you. He was yelling over. Say hi. Oh, Alexis, I want to pick you up. Do you want me to pick you up? You're just mad at your brother? You think she's funny. But she doesn't think you're funny.